Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you one update of Ultraman NFT airdrop which I shared previously in my Telegram channel. If you haven't joined my Telegram channel, then please join my Telegram channel. I have provided all the details there so that you can withdraw your earnings of Crypto Ultraman NFT airdrop. So let's move on to our Telegram channel. I'm also going to share with you one great airdrop which is Solana related airdrop. It's a Sol token airdrop, so please don't miss that airdrop also, as Sol airdrops are also having great potential for earning. So first, it is if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, hidden airdrop finder, then please join. Link is in the description, so please join that. So this is Crypto Ultraman NFT airdrop. This was, if you joined this, then it's great. So now this is the update. This is the latest update of this airdrop. So we need to do the following steps for the getting the airdrop distribution of Crypto Ultraman NFT airdrop. So let's click on this details. So do it right now so that you won't miss airdrop distribution right now. This is the last task you have to do in order to get withdrawal of your earnings from this airdrop. So after you visit this, so just you need to click on like button. After you click on like button, you need to click on this button. You need to click on this button. Click on quote tweet and tag any three of your friends. Tag any three of your friends. Minimum 3 friends you have to tag. So I have tagged 3 friends. Now you can click on retweet. Okay, so your task is done. Now so after you have done this task, you can just check whether you have received this or not. Its distribution is ongoing, so you may receive it at any time. So you can keep checking it on from this site. Just copy this site, cryptoultraman.com. Go to your Trust Wallet, because you have submitted the address of Trust Wallet, so you need to go to Trust Wallet. If you have submitted any other wallet address, then you need to go to that other wallet. To copy this on the DApps section and just move here. Just open this site. After you open this site, you need to just check for just click on this top right 3 bars. Now you need to click on Aman. Just scroll down and you can see the details. Now you need to click on My Wallet. After you have received the airdrop, it will show like here. It will show your balance here in the airdrop section. Now it is 0 for me, because the distribution is ongoing and I haven't received yet, so I will be receiving soon. So you can just keep on checking this section whether you have received this airdrop or not. And second airdrop is this, the last airdrop posted on my Telegram channel. This is, so we need to do this task. This is Sol Network airdrop, so don't waste this, as huge earning potential. So join all the Sol Network airdrops that are posted on my channels. Click on the link now and click on like. Now you just need to tag any 3 of your friends and do a comment. So click here, click on quote tweet, then tag any of your 3 friends. Minimum 3 friends you can tag. Write anything. Now after you write, you need to click on retweet. So your task is done of Twitter. So now you need to just fill these forms. Click on this fill forms link. Open it on any browser. After you open this in any browser, you need to click do you know the Muffin Man? So you can just click on yes. You need to paste here the link to your tweet. So link of your tweet. So you need to go to your Twitter account. I'm opening my Twitter app. Just open your Twitter profile after the Twitter account has opened. So just open your Twitter profile. click on top 3 bars, click on your profile image. Now just scroll down. This is what we have just done right now. We have tagged our friends, so click on share button, then click on this copy link button. After you've then done this, just paste it here. Input your Sol address. You can get Sol address from your Binance wallet, or you can just make another wallet on the site solid.io. So I will provide the link of this site solid.io, where you can make your Sol wallet in the description. So you can just copy the link or go to that site and make your wallet, so that you will input your Sol wallet address. So now I'm going to open the browser. This is my browser, and just scroll up where I have opened the Solid site. This is my Sol wallet, solid.io. This is the site. You can go to this site solid.io and then make an wallet so that you can copy that wallet address and then submit it. After you have successfully created the wallet and imported it, then you need to unlock your wallet by entering any password which you have just made during registration. Now you just need to click on this Sol button, click on receive. Now click on this copy button, click on this. After you clicked this, then your address has been copied. Now just go back to the giveaway form page. So this is the form page. Now paste it here, your Sol address. Input your Twitter handle. You can get your Twitter username from which I have shown in the previous videos. If you saw our previous videos, you just already know how to get your Twitter handle, which is already given in your profile using @. So write it here using @. Do you follow our Twitter, like and retweet? Yes, we have done these all tasks. Click on yes. Do you use a VPN? No. Do you enjoy privacy? Yes. Do you use a VPN? No. Click on do you enjoy privacy? Yes. Now you need to click on just solve this 6 plus 6 into 6. So 6 is 36. 36 plus 6. 6 is the 36, and 36 plus 6 42. Click on submit, and your task has been done. Now this airdrop has also been joined by you now. And friends, I just want to tell you that if you join more airdrops posted on my channel, you can get more earning potential, so more earnings here. So please don't miss to join all the airdrops posted on my channel, as many airdrops can give you good earnings like this before Arova protocol and other airdrops like TPL airdrop. You can check out all the other airdrops posted in my Telegram channel, so that you won't miss any earning opportunity. Friends, I hope you liked this video, so please support, like, share and subscribe, and also join my Telegram channel, whose link I have provided in the description. Thank you.